Welcome back. So on this lesson, we're going to talk about laying the foundation. And I want to talk about what's going to be covered, which is going to be really simple actually. It's simply creating the account to our channel or for our channel. So whenever, and I'm going to be discussing this further on, whenever I'm creating a new channel, or maybe this is not your first channel, you're creating another channel, you want to make sure you create it with another account. You don't want to have your channel linked to the same account. And further on, I'll show you how you can add multiple managers to an account. For example, you can have one account and you have all the channel under that account, but you don't want to have them under the same email. So you want to have them under separate email. And there's a specific reason for this. The chance of this happening is really slim, like probably 1%. I rarely see this. I only seen it once. Usually, if there's something wrong with your channel, that's only if you're disobeying certain rules. Your channel's maybe posting profanities, nudities, child abuse, which I know none of you guys will do. But if your channel get deleted or disabled by YouTube, they don't just disable the channel, they disable the whole account. So if you had 5 channels and let's say those 5 channels bring you 100K a month, you just lost all 5 channels instead of just losing that one channel that YouTube flagged. So we want to make sure that whenever we're creating another channel, we're creating another email. So moving on, I'm just going to go to my computer. I'm going to walk you guys through the step-by-step process, which is honestly everyone should be able to do, but still I want to make sure that you guys understand everything and don't skip a single step, and we have everything set up. So without further ado, I'm going to log into my browser to create a new account for a new channel. Alright, so I'm using the Safari browser to create this, since I have a bunch of other accounts on my Chrome, so I wanted to use Safari. And basically all you have to do is go to gmail.com. If you already log into another account, just click and switch account, and instead of logging into another account, just click create new account. Like you can see right here, it's asking me to sign in. I'm just gonna click create new account, and it doesn't really matter. I don't know why they have those. It doesn't really matter. I've created business account for myself using the for my children, because I probably have around 20 different email addresses. So I've used all 3 of them. I don't really see the difference, but of course, let's just click to manage my business, and they literally have the same thing, first and last name. And now that you have your channel name, let's say our channel name is docu Docum, and you have to have a last name. Let me just put official. If your name have two word in it, then that's perfectly fine. If it doesn't, it doesn't really matter. And you're just gonna create the email that you want. I'm just gonna put Docum official, and just make a password that you're actually gonna remember. So yeah, make sure it's something that you're gonna remember. And from down, it's really simple. You add your phone number to verify the account. Now this is where I'm gonna blur it out, no offense, so I don't show my phone number and my personal email address, but simple. Add your phone number, add your email address, and also your birthday. Doesn't really matter. You can just add your normal birthday. Gender, you could rather not to say. It doesn't really matter, to be honest, but just fill in the information. Then we're gonna go to the next. So basically what just happened is I just verify my number. It asks you to verify your number. That's if you want to just verify your email and whatever, security purposes, I guess. So just put your number, and they will send you a text with the code, or in my case they called me. You could choose that option too, and I put the code, and it got me to here. And nobody ever read the privacy in term. And right there and there you have your email. And not now. So basically now what you're gonna have to do is go to YouTube, go to the YouTube page, and you're gonna have to sign in. So it's gonna be a fresh YouTube, no sign in. You click sign in. and then it will automatically sign into your account. So we have Document Official. And if it doesn't have the channel name for some reason, or something else shows up, which shouldn't happen, just go here. You see how I just click this, create a channel, ask you for the name, Document Official. But I want to take out the official because I only added on there because it asked for last name, so Document. And you press create channel. So make sure you do this so that your channel can be officially created. And now you have a channel, and we're going to talk about later on doing all the painting on the channel. So just like that, you have your channel, you have your account created. So be sure that whenever you're creating another channel, that you create it under a new email address to separate them apart. I'm saying this just in case. The chances are it's slim, but if you follow everything that is in this coaching, there is no possible way that your channel get deleted or disabled. But be sure, for safety reason, that you don't create two channels or more than one channel under one email for safety reason. So without further ado, guys, now that we have our account created, let's move on to actually painting the channel and laying the foundation for the channel.